In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Xero. Integrating these platforms can streamline your business operations by synchronizing data seamlessly between your customer relationship management and your accounting software. Let's guide you through this process step by step, ensuring smooth connectivity and functionality. To begin, you'll want to access HubSpot CRM. A simple way to do this is to perform a web search for HubSpot CRM. Once you've found the official HubSpot website, you can follow the link that will direct you to the HubSpot CRM software page. Here you'll see an option to get started free, which is perfect if you're new to HubSpot, or if you want to explore its features before committing. Click on that button to proceed. You'll now be prompted to either create a new account or log in with an existing one. If you are new to HubSpot, set up your account by entering your basic information. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Once signed in, you might see the option to continue with your current user setup. Just click on the Continue with this user button if this applies. Choose your existing account or set up a new one if prompted, and proceed by clicking Continue with this account. After you've successfully logged in, you need to access the HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you'll find various apps and services, including integrations with third-party platforms like Xero. Navigate to the Marketplace section and click on it to begin your search for Xero. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to look up Xero. Once the Xero listing appears, click to open it. You'll find an option to install, which you should select to start the integration process. Follow the prompts, clicking Next to move forward through the steps. You may be asked to input some details about your Xero account. This is crucial for ensuring that the integration correctly syncs your data between HubSpot and Xero. An important part of the setup is two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on HubSpot. Setting up 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your account, making sure that your data is safe. Once you've configured authentication, return to your integration setup. Then, click on Connect to Xero. You'll be redirected to the Xero login page, where you need to enter your credentials to gain access. After logging in, Xero will ask for your permission to link with HubSpot. Approve this request to enable HubSpot and Xero to communicate. This concludes the integration setup, allowing data to flow smoothly between CRM and accounting platforms. With this integration, you'll enjoy more streamlined financial management and enhanced CRM capabilities, which can significantly boost your business's efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in integrating HubSpot with Xero. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher on the process.